Hi, you're watching Tractor Talk with Gary.
300 different consigners here today. So we want to first off thank each and every one of you for bringing us in some of the best lineup we've had and some of the best lineup you're going to see anywhere in the country. So we want to thank all the consigners for that. If you do have stuff in here, consigners, step up to a ring man, Brandon or Jeff or one of the auctioneers there. Tell them, hey, that's my tractor coming up. I'm thinking somewhere in this range, and they'll get with you. We'll get it sold for you, okay? We don't really have set prices around here. Don't believe in them. We try to sell everything here. We appreciate all the buyers and everybody from all the way around the country that come here, okay? Like I say, the terms of the sale are cash or a good check, okay? Online bidders, we'll get to them a little bit later, but for you people on site, cash or a good check, and that's today. It's not tomorrow, it's not next week, it's not next month, okay? So we pay today, okay? And if you live 3 miles down the road, that doesn't mean Walmart, you say, hey, I'm 3 miles down the road, Walmart, I'll pay you later on.
5, 2.5. 250, but you get 2.5, but you get 250. Now 5, but you get 5.
Are they chisel points? All them chisel points?
5, but you get 5.
Four chisel points?
Sold it, 2.5. 577.
What'd you say for
2.5?
One money.
One money.
All right.
Chisel points.
You got a vice. 89.23 on the big vice. What do you want to give on that one? 50 bucks. 50 on the vice.
Sure, man.
$50, but it gets 50. 25, but it gets 25 and 1, 25, but it gets 25. $5, $10, 10, 10 and 1, 10, but it gets 10 on the vice. Now 15, 15, 15, 10 and 1, 15, but it gets $15, 15, 15, 15. Now 20, but it gets 20, 20, 20 and 1, 20, now 25, 40, but it gets 45 here. 15, 5, 5, 5, keep it on the here, 5, 7 and a half, now 10, 10, 10, 12 and a half. For the players, 12 and a half, $15 here, now 17 and a half, 17 and a half, 15 on 17 and a half.
Look at all of the equipment here. Man, there is row after row of this. It goes all the way back almost to the trees back there. All this equipment packed in. There are 2 trucks, or 2 rings running, selling this stuff today. This is amazing. This was some really nice equipment too, for the most part. As you're going to see as we go through the video, this was not junk. This was not stuff that wasn't taken care of. Most of this stuff was in really good shape. Really good tires on it. There were a few, but for the most part, all the tractors look pretty good to me.
New Holland TN 55, 2-wheel drive. Some beefy rubber on it. Here we have a really nice John Deere, but it's got a little problem. The left front tire is going flat on it. It's got good rubber on it, other than the left front being flat. Here we have another 4020 John Deere. And this one looks to me to be pretty tired. Needs a lot of TLC.
Nice 4240 sitting right next to it. This looks pretty clean. And a 3020 diesel. Looks like it's seen a little use. Got a pair of workhorses side by side here. 1570 case Agri King and a 1070 case Agri King. Here we have a 5510 John Deere with some kind of an aftermarket cab. I'm not familiar with that. I don't think that's John Deere. Sure doesn't look John Deere to me.
And please subscribe to the channel.
Case 450C crawler. I'd like to have this. Boy, that would come in handy.
Look at all the equipment. That is just amazing. There's about anything you can imagine here. There were a lot of skid steer attachments, there were grapples, there were wheel weights, just about anything you can imagine, sprayers, whatever.
Here we have a post puller, tree puller also. And here we have a grapple. Another tree post puller. Here's a post driver. And here's some more grapples. Brand new in the crate. 78-inch. Pinch point hazard. I would say so. I would say so. Trying to figure out what brand they are. Here's a really nice Woods batwing mower. This is a dandy. These are well made. 12-footer. Here's a nice front mount brush cutter. These are pretty sweet. Driven by a hydraulic motor. Two of them here. It's a nice little Kubota L2800.
Look at my tool selection, they'll leave me $10.
Finish mower on it. And we have more grapples along here. Here's a trencher. Front mounted post hole diggers for skid steers. .3088 International, 7830 Deere. That's a nice clean looking tractor. And a 125 Case IH, also very nice and clean. I like how they've done the exhaust on this at the corner post of the cab. That really helps the visibility. TV 145 New Holland. These are the ones that the operator station flips around backwards. You can drive them from either direction. The only problem is now you're in reverse with the tires, and those are made to pull in the forward direction. Those are a directional tire. It's got a big grapple attached to it and forks. Here we have a really nice 7330 Deere with an H360 loader. Nice, clean looking unit. Very sharp. Nice the way they mounted the toolbox. Has the jump seat inside the cab. We have the Mini and a tractor next to me running. Can't even hear them inside the cab. Really quiet. Very nice. I could see taking this home. Barb wouldn't like it when she did the bookkeeping, I'm willing to bet. Here's another look at that New Holland TV 145. That was quite a concept. They came up with that. But like I said, the tires only are made for pulling in one direction, really. To demonstrate how quiet it is in the cab. You can't even hardly hear that running. And here we have a Z-Tor 6341. I am not familiar with these at all. I know even more than nothing about these. And we're going to take a look inside the cab. Appears to have a really nice cab to it. Lots of floor space. Doors don't shut super securely, but wow, everything's laid out pretty nicely in here. Pretty simple. And we have two different controls for the loader. Not sure I like that. That could be changed. But yeah, different, huh? Haven't seen one of these. It's unusual. Oh, smart looking little unit. Look at the muffler. Almost looks like an expansion chamber.
Thanks for watching.